storage in the basement, or extra groceries are exiled forever. Remember that frozen lasagna? Of course you don't. It's been down there since 2008. Good news is, it's easy to bundle home and auto through Progressive and save on your car insurance. Piece of cake. Behind the lasagna, it's very old. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers. Discount not available in states or situations.
I was 11 years old at my first national championships. I fell, I don't know how many times.
Michelle Claus, the most decorated figure skater.
Alright, so today is February 25th. The time is 8:50 a.m. We are driving around in Lebanon, Oregon, looking at our snowfall. It's amazing how just a little bit of snow almost shuts down the city. All the schools are closed. And I'm a truck driver and I'm actually taking the day off to make this video. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but we will try it anyways. This is just a quick drive around of Lebanon just to show everybody what it looks like. We got a few inches of snow last night and they're calling for up to 18 inches of snow by tomorrow. We don't normally get snow like this in town. So that's why everything seems to shut down whenever we get snow. A week ago I was spending some time down in the Philippines, and this is a big difference from over there. I think at nighttime the temperature in the Philippines got down to maybe 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and here the temperature is right about 32 degrees. The roads are kind of slippery here, as you can see from the truck ahead of us that just fishtailed a little bit while he's taking off. People that have four-wheel drive don't seem to be using it. I'm in four-wheel drive right now and driving my old Chevy pickup, and it seems to be going pretty nice. Just gotta remember, four-wheel drive helps you go forward, it doesn't help you stop. So far I've been on 2nd Street in Lebanon. I'm getting ready to turn onto Rose, and then I'll head down Main Street, go through downtown Lebanon. This is Main Street in downtown Lebanon. Once again, there's a fair amount of snow coming down. Chains aren't required yet, but I'm sure if it keeps snowing like this, they'll start requiring them. think Lebanon has very many snow plows, so that's probably why there's still a lot of snow on the road. And that was downtown Lebanon. I'm going to turn north onto Oak Street as soon as the lights turn green. And just drive a few back roads and finish up this video. Again, this is just a quick update of our snowstorm here in Lebanon. I'm sure everybody from the east side of the United States is laughing at it. But for over here in the Willamette Valley, it's a pretty hefty snowstorm. Finished with this video, I'll make another one. I have a recorder on my 1/10 scale rock crawler, so I might go out and play in the snow a little bit with that. Do a video of on the rock crawler. Something I've been wanting to do lately. You can see the back roads, side streets are a little bit worse off than the main street was. Not as much traffic. Still going north on Oak Street. Here I'm going to turn east onto Franklin. Pickup, this thing sure seems to run good still. It's a 1990 Chevy 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive pickup with a blown head gasket. But like I say, she's still running pretty good. What it is, gets me where I'm going. Got a new engine I'm rebuilding right now, so probably put that in this summer and see how things go. When I get up to the stop sign, I think I'm going to wrap up this video. I'm always interested in likes and shares, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everybody for watching. This is Jake's Travel and RC.